Okay, class, let's continue with question number 2. In this video, we are going to work on part D. So the question is, what's the probability that at least one of the two cars passes the inspection? So if we look at the sample space, so if we go up, let me copy this sample space. So part D, let's work on the part D. So the sample space is 0, 1, and 2. It could be 0 passes, 1 passes, or two cars pass. Okay, so we are interested in what's probably that at least one car passes. Okay, so if this event happens, at least one car passes. That means it could be one car or both cars. Okay, so we need to calculate the probability that one car passes or two cars pass. So we have to uh, get the probabilities for this outcome and this outcomes. Okay? But if we talk about this outcome, one car pass, so there are two further possibilities. So my car passes or my friend's car passes. So it's a little bit difficult to find those probabilities for those two outcomes. And luckily we learned one more probability rule is that, which is the probability that A occurs is equal to 1 minus the probability that A does not occur, okay? Which is A complement. Okay. So if we want to calculate the probability that at least one car passes, instead of directly calculating this probability, we can find the probability that this event does not occur, which is A complement. So what does that mean by A not occurring? So if A does not occur or this does not occur, that means no car passes the inspection. Okay? So if we can calculate the probability of A not occurring, then we use 1 minus this probability. We still have this probability of A. So let's look at this probability of A complement or A not occurring. So that means no car passes the inspection, and we are looking at two cars. So if no car passes the inspection, that means my car does not pass the inspection. Okay? My car does not pass, and my friend's car does not pass. Okay, so there are two events. Let me highlight this one. Okay, and this equals the probability of my car does not pass times the probability that my friend's car does not pass. Let me put it here. Okay. So why is that? Because we learned the rule that the probability of A and B, if they are independent, equals the probability of A times the probability of B. Okay. Then what's the probability that my car does not pass? Okay. We already did the calculation. That's 30% chance. And then what's the probability that my friend's car does not pass? It's also 30%. So if we do the calculation, that's 0.09. Okay. So that means the probability that A does not occur is 0.09. So this guy is 0.09. But still, we need to calculate the probability of A occurring. So that's going to be 1 minus equals 1 minus 0.09, okay, which is I think 91. So if you look at the last question, yes, the probability is 0.91. And for this part D, we used this rule. Probability of A is equal to the 1 minus the probability that A does not occur.